try this. So that's an IRQ bug. And we're also running pretty slow. So this is how the interrupts like to be set, but it's not the same as MAME. I'm not really sure what the fuck's going on. Graphically very good, runs smooth, just slow. No crashes. IO's good. The IO's programmed great. So you can play. Kick. Boom. Of course it's wire play. Yeah, so it's just game speed. IRQ related. And if he gets a goal here, let's see what he can do. If you can get a goal, I'll show you the other glitch. Nah. Oh yeah. Watch this now. So that's flickery. Not so much now. I have adjusted it a bit. So give it about a 5 out of 10. It's just not running smooth and fast enough. What's that little frame glitch? See that there? That's another little glitch on it. On that specific trick. So that'll be a typo. Anyway, there we go.